In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a calendar in LibreOffice. Whether you're organizing your personal schedule or managing events for work, creating a calendar can be incredibly useful. LibreOffice Calc, the spreadsheet component of LibreOffice, offers a flexible way to design a calendar that suits your needs. So let's dive in and start crafting your calendar. First, you'll want to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure to download it from the official LibreOffice website. Once you have LibreOffice up and running, you'll see a list of applications it offers. Click on Calc Spreadsheet. This is the tool we'll be using to create our calendar. Now that you're in Calc, navigate to the top left of the window and click on View. This option will allow you to customize the display and tools available in your spreadsheet. After selecting View, move your cursor to Toolbars. Selecting this will open a submenu with various toolbar options that you can activate. From the toolbar list, you need to enable Form Controls. Click on Form Controls to add it to your toolbar. Form controls in LibreOffice provide you with interactive elements you can use in your spreadsheet, such as buttons, checkboxes, and most importantly for us, a date field. Next, click on the date field from the form controls. This tool is essential as it allows you to create a dynamic date picker in your calendar. Once selected, you'll draw the date field into a cell in your spreadsheet. This action places a date selection tool directly into your calendar. After drawing the date field, right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with various options. From this menu, click on Control Properties. Here, you can customize the settings of your date field to better fit your calendar design and ensure it behaves the way you want. Inside the Control Properties, find the drop-down menu and click Yes. This step may relate to enabling specific features or options for your date field, ensuring it integrates seamlessly within your spreadsheet. Finally, to complete your setup, click on Design Mode. This option is usually found within the same toolbar where you activated the form controls. Turning off Design Mode will allow you to interact with your newly created date field as an end user would, testing its functionality within your calendar. And there you have it. You've successfully created a basic calendar in LibreOffice Calc, complete with a date picker for easy navigation. This setup provides a foundational framework that you can expand upon, adding more dates, customizing the layout, or incorporating additional interactive elements as needed. Remember, the more you experiment with LibreOffice's features, the more personalized and functional your calendar will become. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.